Hi, thank you so much for your support. Before few years ago, our subscriber shared a video and the video is, "Hey, what the heck you are doing? Why are you throwing the stone? The stone may hurt you." The situation will become even worse if they don't do it. But why? Because both of them are jumping in the stagnant water like pond. The only reason you need to throw the stone before you are jumping is to break the surface tension. But what is surface tension? We have already done a video about this, which is in the description below. Please check it out. In simple words, surface tension is the invisible layer that resists the external force. But what will happen if we dive without breaking the surface tension? And that is